Habit 5. Growing your income through skills. Cutting spending is good, but increasing your earning power is life-changing. This habit is about strategic skill building, not working harder. Think of your income like a plant. If you ignore it, it stays small, but with consistent care, it grows. In today's world, relying solely on yearly raises won't keep pace with inflation, let alone build wealth. So you identify skills that sit at the intersection of what interests you, what companies desperately need, what aligns with your existing knowledge. Then you invest 30 minutes a day developing those skills. Just 30 minutes. Marcus, an administrative assistant, spent half an hour each morning learning SQL. 6 months later, he landed a job paying $22,000 more per year. He didn't go back to school. He didn't quit his job. He just showed up every day for 30 minutes. And here's the kicker. Each new skill unlocks the next. It's exponential. As Warren Buffett said, the best investment you can make is in yourself.